AI is rapidly changing our world. With advancements like ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney, and many more, it's essential to understand how these tools are set to impact our jobs and our future. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, some jobs will become obsolete while others will evolve and adapt. In today's video, I'll explore which jobs are most likely to be automated by either and edit, which ones are safe even in 2025. The findings from recent surveys will be taken into account, so make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. Starting with the most vulnerable jobs. Data entry and administrative support. This is the most susceptible field to automation due to the repetitive and rule-based nature of tasks, such as data collection, categorization, and storage. AI-powered iBuzzers perform these tasks faster and more accurately than humans. For example, companies already use software that can automatically scan and categorize documents and extract data from them. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can handle basic customer inquiries and provide support quickly and efficiently. For example, many companies already use chatbots on their websites to answer frequently asked questions and resolve simple issues. And it won't stop there. AI technology is improving at an incredible rate. Truck drivers. Self-driving vehicles are being developed and tested, and they will eventually replace truck drivers. For example, Tesla is developing self-driving technology for its vehicles, and other companies such as Waymo are testing self-driving trucks. This will likely lead to job displacement for long-haul truck drivers in the future, but there are also concerns about safety. Many people are concerned about the safety of self-driving vehicles and whether they will be able to handle all the complexities of driving in different conditions. Some accidents involving self-driving cars have already been reported, and investigations are still ongoing. However, proponents argue that self-driving vehicles will ultimately be safer than human drivers because they will not be susceptible to things like distractions or fatigue. Factory workers. Manufacturing tasks are highly repetitive and can be easily automated using robots and other AI-powered tools. For example, car manufacturers already use robots to perform tasks such as welding and painting. This trend is likely to continue and result in job losses for factory workers. It's worth mentioning, though, that some studies indicate that automation may not always lead to job losses, but rather to the creation of new ones. For instance, the rise of ATMs did not result in fewer jobs overall, but simply shifted the demand for tellers to other sectors. That being said, there is no guarantee that this will happen, and the impact of the job market remains uncertain. Fast food workers. Fast food restaurants are already using AI-powered kiosks for customers to place their orders, and some are even experimenting with automated cooking systems. These developments may lead to job losses for fast food workers in the coming years. Proofreaders and editors. AI-powered tools can now detect grammatical errors, typos, and other mistakes much faster and more accurately than humans. For example, Grammarly and ProWordIngate already use AI to improve their grammar and style. While these tools are currently used to assist editors and proofreaders, they may eventually replace them entirely. Telemarketers, cold calling, and telemarketing are already heavily reliant on scripts and automated systems. AI-powered bots can easily take over these tasks, leading to job losses for telemarketers. Repetitive and rule-based jobs, such as data entry and administrative support, are the most vulnerable to automation. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are relatively safe. We'll discuss these safe jobs later, but first, let's look at the factors that make a job more susceptible to automation. Routine-based tasks. Jobs that involve repetitive and routine-based tasks are the most susceptible to automation. For example, operating a machine that performs the same action repeatedly or entering data into a spreadsheet. Such tasks can be easily learned by machines and can be performed faster and more accurately than humans. Physically demanding jobs. While many people think that physically demanding jobs are safe from automation, the truth is that there are already machines and robots that are capable of performing many of these tasks. For example, warehouses are increasingly using robots to pick and pack orders. And some companies are even experimenting with drones for delivery, jobs requiring minimal education. Unfortunately, jobs that require minimal education and training are the most susceptible to automation. This is because they are often routine-based and repetitive, making them easy to automate. Now let's look at the jobs that are safe in 2025. Healthcare. Despite advancements in automation, there are still several healthcare jobs that require human touch and expertise that are unlikely to be replaced by machines. For example, doctors and nurses need to make decisions based on their experience and intuition, which cannot be replicated by. Additionally, patients still value human interaction and empathy, which is why jobs such as nursing assistants and home health aides are still in demand. Education. Teaching is another profession that requires human interaction and personalized attention. While AI-powered tools can assist teachers in some aspects of their job, they cannot replace the role of a teacher in shaping young minds and inspiring students to learn. Skilled trades. Skilled trades such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters require specialized knowledge and expertise that is difficult to automate. These jobs also require physical skills and critical thinking abilities that are not easily replicated by machines. Creative fields. Creative fields such as graphic design, writing, and music production require creativity and imagination, which are difficult to automate. While AI-powered tools can assist in some aspects of creative work, they cannot replace the originality and innovation of human creators. Management. Management positions require a combination of critical thinking skills, emotional intelligence, and creativity that are difficult to automate. While akin to managers in some tasks, such as data analysis, it cannot replace the human element of management. Research and development. Research and development require creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills that are not easily automated. While I can assist in data collection and analysis, it cannot replace the human element of research and development. Legal services. Legal services require specialized knowledge, critical thinking, and negotiation skills that are difficult to automate. While I can assist lawyers with research and document review, it cannot replace the human element of legal services. The impact of a job market is a complex issue with potential benefits and risks. While AI-powered tools can improve efficiency and productivity, they can also lead to job displacement. It is important to stay informed about the advancements in it and to acquire the necessary skills to thrive in the evolving job market. This includes developing skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence that are difficult to automate. So, what do you think? Are you worried about the rise of AI and automation? Do you think your job is at risk? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also share any feedback you have on the video or any suggestions of topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video.